Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming power and app access. Plug in Chromecast, watch for the ready LED. This ensures the device booted. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and location so the Home app can discover the device. This is required for pairing. Make sure you're connected to the router and know the Wi-Fi password. Chromecast uses the phone's network to join. Once done, open Google Home and tap the plus sign to create or set up a device. Once the app finds Chromecast, you'll see a pairing code on the TV and on your iPhone. Confirm they match, because that prevents accidental pairing with a neighbor's device. Then choose your Wi-Fi network. Chromecast copies network and password from the phone, so make sure you select the same frequency band you're using. Enter the password slowly to avoid typos, then name the device and assign a room. The app may apply updates. Allow them to finish before continuing. Finish by testing casting. Open YouTube or a cast-enabled app and tap the cast icon to your Chromecast. If it appears and streams, you're done. The device caches network credentials for automatic reconnect. If setup fails, reboot the router, iPhone, and Chromecast. Power cycling clears temporary network conflicts. If discovery is the problem, switch to the router's 2.4 GHz band or perform a factory reset by holding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.